Okay, what we're talking about today is the typical TRV or thermostatic radiator valves. These are fitted to one end of your radiator, usually to control the water flow, sensing the temperature through your radiator. Now from time to time it may be necessary to take the radiator off and remove it, leaving this end open here. Now before you've taken the radiator off, of course you would have turned this fully off, and then hopefully the water will have stopped coming out of here. Now sometimes you can run into problems here, because if this is left disconnected like this and the temperature in the room drops enough, this valve is designed to actually open and then let the water out here, and then of course you might not be there, and then there'll be water coming out and cause a flood and all the involved problems in that, and it'll empty your whole heating system all over the floor. So the solution we've got for that now is to do it this way, is to remove the head. And of course you remove the head before you remove the radiator. Now to remove these heads, they're all the same. You have a captive ring at the bottom here. You just screw it off like that. Screw it one way and then the head will come off. And what that does, it lets the control pin fully up and fully open. That's all it does. When the pin is compressed, it closes the valve. When the pin is fully out, it lets the water flow. So what we're going to talk about is using this device here, which is called the TRV clamp, or the thermostatic radiator valve clamp. And what this is going to do is solidly and reliably compress the pin down here. So if you see one end here, it's got like a fork. So the fork goes over the pipe and underneath the nut like that, and the bolt screws down onto the pin and compresses the pin down. You can feel it there now, just closed. That's fully closed off, guaranteed. Now some people would say, well, this can be knocked off and it can just fall off, and then the pin will obviously rise up and the water will come out. So I'll show you in the end of the bolt in the clamp. You can see there, you see inside, that's been recessed out. So the pin is designed to neatly fit inside the recess there. So I'll put it on again, screw it down, it locks on there, screw it down, just finger tight, not too much. You'll feel it stop there. Now that is fully off and it's solid, it won't come off. So that is the TRV clamp, or the thermostatic radiator valve clamp, which we recommend you use when you take radiators off, to completely and positively close that pin off there, stop the water coming out. So that's the TRV clamp from ABD Tools. Okay, thanks for watching.